The most common argument regarding meat eating is whether or not we should eat red meat. People against red meat since it could potentially cause colon cancer, and it seems that fish and chicken are better. Other people argue that this is not true, since the correlation between colon cancer and red meat isn't supported by evidence. The ketogenic diet contains a large amount of meat. On another hand, the vegan diet or the vegetarian diet doesn't have meat in there at all. The Mediterranean diet, which is a famous healthy diet, is a more balanced diet. Red meat is in the Mediterranean diet, even though only a small part. Chinese medicine gives some interesting idea regarding meat eating. It considers that in the blood and flesh there is emotion in it. It gives people more desire and also more anxiety. For people who absolutely need a peace of mind, for example, the monks living in the temple for their whole lives, they are absolutely forbidden to eat any meat, since these are the people who are supposed to hold any potential desires. When we look into the longevity countries, out of the top 5, 4 of them are in Asia. They are Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, and Japan. The only country that is out of this region is Switzerland. Besides looking into the diet in a longevity population, we have to look into it from the mind-body perspective. And the East Asian culture, no matter it is the Tao or the Buddhism, is a reserved culture that appreciates inner peace. The diet in these East Asian countries are mostly plant-based diet. Coincidentally or not, it's interesting to notice that Switzerland is a neutral and peaceful country without involving in any political or military conflicts. Next, we're going to talk about chicken and fish, which is highly recommended by a lot of people. If you go to a sushi restaurant having some raw fish, it's always served with some gingers. This is a part of the dietary suggestion from the traditional Chinese medicine. Fish is considered as a cold food, and ginger is considered as warm, so that fish served with ginger is considered as a balanced diet. Chicken as a bird is considered as with positive energy. They wake up early in the morning and frequently chit-chatting. In the dietary suggestion, chicken are suggested to cook with the mushroom, since mushroom grow in the dampness in the forest and it comes with negative energy. It's a balanced diet when chicken is eaten with mushroom. And when chicken is cooked with frying oils, the energy is gone out of the roof. Children comes with a pure positive energy body. And when they eat this kind of chicken, the energy can be shown as what it is in the ADHD, with hyperactivity and attention deficit. Red meats certainly contain the necessary proteins for human body. In Chinese medicine, different red meats have the different therapeutic effects onto different organs. For example, lamb is for liver, beef is for spleen and stomach, and pork is for the kidney. Liver's function is for the storage of blood. Many females have this liver blood deficiency with the symptoms in their menstrual periods. In modern nutrition science, lamb is rich in iron, which is a necessary element in blood production. The spleen and stomach are considered as the soil in Chinese medicine. It is the foundation of everything in human health. Beef is considered as neutral in its quality. It is beneficial for the health of the soil. For people who are recovering from a severe condition, beef is going to help building up the recovery by building up the soil. But for those who are in a really severe condition, beef may be too much for them to digest, since they don't have the foundation of soil at all. And for these people, a plant-based diet, including the greens, are necessary. Pork is mildly cold, and kidney has a similar property. Since kidney produce water like urine, and pork is beneficial for kidneys' negative energy. Today we discussed how meat affects us at the individual level and at the population level, mostly from the point of view of traditional Chinese medicine. Thanks for listening and watching. See you next time.